she wanted it kind of over where the excavator was, but without digging all this dirt and trying to build that up, we would have ran out. So luckily I took GPS and I set it on there's no like file or anything built, right? So I set it on the local coordinates for, I think Kansas City was the closest place, and just set a little point, and I don't know if the elevations are right, you know what I'm saying, like corrected with sea level, but we got elevations, and dang if these four corners didn't match, relatively close, within 6-8 inches. And it was high here in the middle, so we dug all that out to the grade that we wanted, gave all that extra dirt that we're gonna put over here for her little barn she's wanting at some point. Right, whatever, it's good dirt. I mean, it's not like red dirt, but it's got a lot of rocks. It's, you know, it's fine. Yeah. But it was actually pretty easy, because with the GPS we could get the elevations, and then I just set a point, use a grade rod from there, you know. Be cool if Trico had GPS, that'd be real neat, you know, but it didn't. And then we just dug it out, I tracked it in, and now we're waiting on the base.
All right guys, we're out here at the horse arena today, finally getting some gravel down. We've had to push it a couple weeks back. We planned on having the Dozer out here and Sam putting this on grade, but the Catman salesman has been all over me about this Dozer blade here, and I like it. I just think you're gonna need GPS in order to get your money out of it. It's a great application. I gotta tell you, that 265 pushes some dadgum material with it, there's no doubt about it. It's just very unorthodox in the controls, and you can't map it unless you have an IMU, about 2,500 bucks your cat. Didn't have it on this machine. This machine's not made, but this machine is destined for the pipe crew, and that's kind of where it is, smaller, right? But we're looking at a 285 with the scarifiers and a Jeepus kit for the front, and a Dozer blade to really be able to backfill behind curbs, small grading areas, sidewalks, etc. Just wanted to see on this application, they actually were supposed to bring it out on a 285 for us to experience, but I just spent a little bit of time on TikTok Live giving you guys a quick review. If you guys aren't following us on TikTok, make sure you do that. Sycon, same thing as YouTube. Getting everything spread. We got about 280, 300 tons of rock getting delivered today. We got Dustin over in the 210. Just basically spreading things out, making it a little easier on this Dozer to move it around. Well, because Will's doing such a great job with content and staying ahead, I literally, yesterday was brutal. It was 110 degrees out, and I worked with the pipe guys on a shutdown, and probably got a little too hot myself, but recovering from that today. Went over to Siloam, checked on Highway 16 and Sambo at the warehouse over there, and he's almost there with that kind of escapade. But I wanted to stop by here, check out that Dozer blade, make sure, you know, does it even make sense? I wanted to hear Bill's opinions on it, and I want to hear, you know, use it myself, see what it's like. I probably only spent an hour in that machine since we got it. It's such a nice machine too, my gosh. We're gonna get a 3-inch layer of base rock on everything, get everything packed in real nice and tight. And that way we've got this little border all the way around everything. Essentially, that's way that the gravel can stay in its place. It's not tracking down the hill. It's not tracking into their road. We're gonna get a 3-inch base layer over everything. Then we're gonna bring 6 inches of sand in over everything. And they're gonna have a beautiful horse arena when it's done. They're gonna fence it off and make it look pretty. You can see all the spoil dirt from overhead on a drone shot, I would assume by now. But this spoil dirt's gonna end up shaping into a pad right here for a barn eventually. But basically, Sam's gonna come out here, dress everything up. We've got a little bit of drainage work we need to do before we get to the horse arena, so that way everything here is draining off away from it. We don't want anything draining to the sand and the gravel, creating wet spots. Biggest thing, largest thing you need to worry about when you're trying to lay a gravel mat down like this, and you want to make sure the drainage around it is taken care of. If not, you're just always going to deal with wet spots and drainage issues and not be able to use your arena or whatever, parking lot, whatever it is, driveway. You keep putting, you don't know why your gravel keeps washing away off your driveway. Well, drain it properly and it won't. I don't know if you can see the sparkles in it, guys, but it's sand-based topsoil. This come out of the river valley. This isn't just topsoil we found off a mountain somewhere. It's very specific. It's got a lot of sand. You can kind of see it in the sun. It's got all the crystals in it. It's got a lot of sand content in it. So this is screen sand. It does have small rock or two in it, but it is screened sand. I'm pretty excited about it. And what we're going to do is we're going to, you guys, I just took, I don't know if you can see it, but that's about the layer. It's very close. We're going to mix this dirt in with this screened sand, and then we've got some other sand. We got 3 types of material we're trying to mix for the footprint, but you guys can see that's actual sand in there on the very top of that. And then we've got some material that's pure sand coming straight up off the river, same place the topsoil's coming from. So you got Bill basically behind us smoothing out the sand, getting everything on grade. And we've got a nice compacted base bottom to this, so she's not gonna lose any material. It's not gonna keep getting crushed and crushed, and then she's gonna have to add material. Should be a nice base layer. And also too, it's about 3-4 inches of a base layer. And then you've had these trucks turning. We track walked it in. But then we're gonna run about 6 inches of the sand combo here. Pretty excited. A little dirt chemist, a little dirt science for you. I think this is the sand out of Van Buren over here. Ever. And that, we've got a layer of sandy loam topsoil, screen sand, and then sand right off the river. And we're gonna basically subsoil them all together, but that's all 3 of them together. And we're gonna run about 60-65% screen sand, 20-ish, 15-20-ish of this sand coming off the river, and then 10-15% of that sandy loam topsoil all mixed together. So yeah, isn't that cool?